To record video slow motion on Realme 16 Pro 5G, first of all, you will need to open Camera app on our device. Next step is to enter More right here, and then we can find the slow motion in the top right corner. Now, to record video slow motion, first you will need to pick a resolution and the frames per second. So in this case, we can go for higher resolution, which is 1080p at 120 fps, or you can lower the resolution, which will worsen the quality of your video slow motion, but at the same time it will record it at 240 fps, which should make the slow motion seem more fluent. So choose whichever option you like and try it out. Then when you're ready, all you have to do is grab your phone and click on a shutter button to start recording that video slow motion. Then you can record something that is moving, and now if we check the slow motion right here, as you can see, it works fine. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.